The Mexican Riviera, a perfect escape for those looking for awe-inspiring landscapes, adrenaline-pumping activities, and a sample of true Mexican culture. This cruise itinerary offers a glimpse into 3 regions of Mexico and is available on Disney Cruise Line only during the summer of 2008. Departing from the Port of Los Angeles, this 7-night itinerary will visit Cabo San Lucas, Mazatlan, and Puerto Vallarta. Combined with 3 days at sea to explore everything Disney Cruise Line offers on board, this vacation experience has it all. If you've watched any of the other podcasts, you probably know what to expect while on board the ship. Breathtaking entertainment, exquisite dining, family-friendly staterooms, legendary Disney service, events and activities for all ages, not to mention up-close encounters with your favorite Disney characters. Basically, it's a ship designed to cater to your individual vacation wishes. But if you're like me, you're probably also eager to explore the places that the ship visits. On a 7-night Mexican Riviera itinerary, Disney Cruise Line will take you to 3 incredible ports of call, each one distinctive in its own way. This itinerary is unique for Disney Cruise Line because, unlike all their other itineraries, this cruise departs from the West Coast, leaving from the Port of Los Angeles. After a spectacular day at sea, you'll arrive in your first port of call, Cabo San Lucas, which can be summed up in just one word: paradise. Cabo San Lucas is located where the Pacific Ocean meets the Sea of Cortez. Here, pristine beaches fade into crystal blue waters and iconic rock formations sit just offshore. While you could easily spend the day at one of the spectacular beaches, water activities are the popular choice for most cruise guests. From snorkeling through the deep blue waters to sea kayaking among the towering rock formations, you'll be captivated by the natural beauty of this port of call. If you're looking for adventure, Cabo San Lucas has plenty to offer. Get into the middle of the action by hoisting the sails and race across the sea on an authentic America's Cup yacht, or explore the desert terrain of the Baja Peninsula in your very own beach buggy. Both excursions provide plenty of excitement you'll remember for a lifetime. If you decide to do the beach buggy excursion, be prepared to get a little dirty. Riding through the desert is sure to provide a thrill, but it can certainly kick up a little dust. If you have younger children but still want to take to the seas, try the Harbor Cruise and Scenic Drive. You'll set sail for Land's End, the tip of the longest peninsula in the world, where you'll find the famous Los Arcos rock formation, a Cabo San Lucas icon. During this tour, you'll be able to enjoy some of the most scenic and historic locales in Cabo. From picturesque Cabo San Lucas, you'll head off to historic Mazatlan, your second port of call. Nestled at the foot of the Sierra Madre Mountains, Mazatlan is the place to experience authentic Mexican culture and rich tradition. Located along the Mexican Gold Coast, Mazatlan is a popular vacation spot to relax in the sun and sand. The true draw to Mazatlan is its array of unique cultural experiences. While in Mazatlan, you'll have the option to wander through centuries-old villages and watch local artisans create ceramic tile and Mexican pottery. Or stop in the city center and catch a performance by the Papantla Flyers. The best option for absorbing an array of local culture is to take the City Highlights and Mexican Mardi Gras tour, where you'll be able to see a little bit of everything, including historic sites and a cultural show in the city. After Mazatlan, you'll head off to Puerto Vallarta. Puerto Vallarta is a Mexican seaside village that offers an interesting blend of modern-day luxuries and unspoiled natural wonders. Here, you can choose to enjoy upscale dining and shopping experiences, relax on a spectacular beach, or explore the natural beauty of the rainforest or rugged mountain terrain. To reconnect with nature, try exploring the tropical rainforest on horseback. You'll be amazed by the beauty of the lush vegetation and soothing rivers. Halfway through the ride, you'll even have the chance to swim at the base of a natural spring waterfall. Adventurous souls will want to try the Outdoor Adventure Excursion. While securely harnessed into a safety belt, you'll be able to observe the native plants and wildlife of the Mexican rainforest as you travel through the canopy on a zip line or rope bridge. It's important to note that there is a minimum height requirement required for this excursion, making it ideal for families with teens and older kids. And Mom, you might have fun too! After Puerto Vallarta, you'll have 2 glorious days at sea to relax and discover all the Disney ship has to offer before returning to the Port of Los Angeles. Make sure you check your personal navigator for activities that are offered exclusively on at-sea days. This way, you'll make the most of your Disney Cruise Line vacation. To learn more about planning your Disney Cruise vacation, visit DisneyCruise.com. The website is loaded with information and planning tools so you can create a unique vacation for you and your family. I'm Emily Kaufman, the Travel Mom, here with family-friendly tips for your next Disney Cruise vacation.